You ready to catch some fish?
Yeah.
Text, missed call. You wanna turn my phone off. Didn't ask for help, but now I'm lost. Life comes in phases, consequences and mistakes. I'm sorry that it's
Hey,
taken
let's go.
me so long.
Oh, dang. Oh, I see some.
Big one.
Those are all green sunfish, too. Dang, dude, let's see if we can cast over there. If I hook one, I'll let you reel it in. Oh, I already got one. It's not a big one, though. The big ones are following him. Oh. Walk out there, then. And you gotta let it sit. You'd be surprised. They follow stuff out, man. Oh, Annie. It's not that. Oh, he came off. You gotta be kidding me. I better catch him again. You gotta let it sit and hold the very end of your stick. And there's other spots to fish. You know, the other thing I'd suggest is, oh, there you go. You got him. Oh, it's a minnow. Is it a minnow? Get off. Oh, there you go. Oh, minnows are gross, man. They just got no scales. Here, hold that. They croak sometimes, too. Ugh. Slimy as heck.
I'm sorry.
It's not like normal fish. It's like...
I don't know what that was.
Dang, I got it. Oh. Oh, there's one. He was following you, Zane. You gotta keep your lure in the water a little longer, okay?
Okay.
There you go. He hit it. He has it. Yeah, stick rod. Pull him up.
Oh, he's big.
Let's go. Hold that.
Yeah.
Will you lip him for the camera? He doesn't have sharp teeth, I promise. Swap me. You're fine. You're fine. Annie, he's not even moving. Look.
Two.
Come on.
I want to.
Smile. There you go. 3, 2, 1, shoot.
Oh, I still see him.
Yeah,
Right there.
I'll step on him.
Still right there.
Just kidding, I'd never step on a fish.
I don't think he can.
Oh,
Oh.
oh, dang. Oh, he's fighting hard for a little guy. Oh, that's so cool.
Oh, Joe, I got
Oh, we're doubled up. Let's go.
Mine's smaller.
Mine's fat as heck. Little chubber's gotta lay off. Dude, it's like a 10-pounder, Annie. Doubled up. Hold him up. Come on, lip him. Lip him. You got it. You just gotta be. You're bigger than the fish by so much. You just gotta lip him. You gotta hold him tight. You can do that too. His fins are down.
I don't want to.
All right. Well, hold that then.
I'm sorry.
No, you're okay.
I don't like living fishes.
Doubled up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you say lipping fishes?
I don't like living fishes.
Fish. The plural of fish is fish.
Don't say look at all those fishes.
Dang it, dude, I can't. Oh, let's see if I can catch one over this log. Just kidding, I don't want to do that. Oh, you got one. Oh, beautiful cast right in front of that rock. Bite it, come on. Nothing? Really? I am shocked. You just ploop it in. Boop. You don't need to slam it so hard, dude. Fish didn't do anything to you. Jig in front of this rock ledge right here.
Oh,
Oh, dang.
Ooh.
Dude, that thing hit hard. Darn near pulled that rod out of my hand. Oh, there we go. Got him. Got him. What did you do? Oh, he got a hook on his finny fin. His finny fin. Kiss it. Don't. What is wrong with you? That was a big one. Hold my rod. I got my butt wet for that one, and I'm sad now. My butt's soaking wet. Alright, here we go. We got one right here, sitting right there. Let's see if we can get him. Oh, I scared him off. Dude, this is something you're trying to eat. No, don't be scared of it. Ooh. And the little ones are so aggressive. Make a long cast. Oh, there we go. I got something. Please don't be a minnow. It's a minnow. Like, they don't even fight. I just drag them. Oh, he started fighting. Oh, these things are disgusting. Ah. Gross. Gross. I had one chasing it down. Little baby. Uh-oh. And you got that jigging action down nicely.
it's a big one, Joe.
Little flick of the wrist. Are you being serious?
Yeah, it's like this big.
Why don't you catch it? Dang, now I'm trying to cast in front of this rock. There we go. Are we calling it quits, Annie? Time to head home. I'd say it's been a successful day. Quite successful. I don't know where to cast. You got me cornered. All right, I'm starting to get hungry. I think it's time to wrap it up. Wrap it up. Oh. All right, time to head home.